Hello students, standard 10. As you know, we are doing the causes of the Second World War. Today we are going to end with the causes of the Second World War. Now, today's topic is Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Very, very important topic. Learn it, thorough it. Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. This was the major cause for the Second World War. Rome means Italy, Berlin means Germany, and Tokyo means Japan. Now already you have studied that Germany was increasing her military power. Now you see, Germany started increasing her military power and started annexing the territories. You know very well, she annexed Rhineland, she annexed Austria, Sudetenland, Czechoslovakia. So like this, she started annexing the territories. So the European countries, they got suspicious. They became suspicious towards Germany. Okay, why Germany? So one day Germany will annex us also. Okay, so here the European countries, they became suspicious towards Germany, growing her military power. So they also started looking for a power blocks. Okay, they started looking for a power blocks. Okay, so here power blocks means they started looking for a friendly countries. So in a time of war, they can come and protect them or help them. So they started looking for a power blocks. Okay, here block spelling will be B-L-O-C-S, not B-L-O-C-K-S. Okay, so here they started looking for a power block. So when the European countries started forming the power block, Germany also got suspicious and she also wanted to have a power block. Under these circumstances means when the European countries started having a power block, like Italy and France and Czechoslovakia formed a power block, then they again separated. Like at that time, so many countries were forming the power block. So under these situations, Germany also started looking for a power block and she signed a pact which was known as Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Means Rome joined with Berlin, then Tokyo also, Japan also joined. All these three countries joined together and they formed a power block which was known as Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Very, very important. Their policy was same only. They also adopted the aggressive policy. So under this aggressive policy, they also formed a power block. So once again, I am repeating, Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Germany started increasing her military power. So under these circumstances, when she started increasing her military power, she started annexing the territories. Like Rhineland was annexed, Austria was annexed, Sudetenland, Czechoslovakia. So under this situation, the European countries became suspicious and they started forming a power block. So when European countries started forming a power block, the Germany also wanted. So Germany signed Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Okay, so seeing Germany, Italy and Japan signing a power block, France and Britain also joined together. So these are the conditions where war became inevitable. It was difficult to control the Second World War. Next you have immediate cause. Very, very important again. Immediate cause can be asked as a Hitler invasion on Poland. Now, before we begin with the invasion, suppose the question comes that what was the immediate cause? So, attack on port of Danzig by Germany was the immediate cause of the Second World War. So much only you will remember, right? If it comes for 2-mark question. If it comes for more than 2-mark question, you are going to explain the whole thing that Poland, after the First World War, not after the Second World War, here after the First World War, Poland was given port of Danzig. Okay, Germany, the port of Danzig was a part of Germany. Port of Danzig. Okay, port of Danzig. Okay, so port of Danzig was a part of Germany which was given to Poland after the First World War in order to give land route up to sea. This was the part part of, means port of Danzig, majority of the people were Germans only. So here, what happened? Hitler invaded on Poland to get port of Danzig. Hitler invaded on Poland to get port of Danzig, and then when Hitler attacked on port of Danzig, immediately Britain and France came to help Poland. Okay, so this you have to remember as the immediate cause of the Second World War. Next we have entry of USA into the war. Why? See, in the First World War also America joined the First World War in middle. Here also you see USA did not want to join the Second World War, did not want to involve in European politics. But what happened here? USA tried to maintain complete neutrality. Neutrality means ना हम रोम बर्लिन को सपोर्ट करेंगे, ना हम ब्रिटेन और फ्रांस को. Means they wanted, USA wanted to maintain complete neutrality. Now what happened? The American Congress, at that time the American Congress were in the government, so they decided to lease, to give armaments, okay, to lease the armament to Britain and China. Which two countries here? Britain and China, they decided to lease their armament. Why? What was the, here again USA was having her own selfish interest. Okay, because if USA will give Britain and China, okay, it is protecting the USA's defense. Their defense was important for USA. Okay, China's defense, Britain invents. Okay, now what happened here? December 7, 1941. Remember the date. December 7, 1941. Japan under the premiership of General Tojo. Remember this person's name. Who was he? He was the premier of Japan. Under his generalship, okay, General Tojo, he attacked on Pearl Harbor. But what was this Pearl Harbor? It was a Pacific, US Pacific fleet. US Pacific fleet. So Japan, under the generalship of General Tojo, attacked on Pearl Harbor, which was the US Pacific fleet, on December 8, 1941. So this event made America to join the Second World War, to stop the Japan, because Japan attacked directly on Pearl Harbor. What was Pearl Harbor? Pearl Harbor was a US fleet. Okay, US Pacific fleet. Pacific Ocean में वो लोग का fleet था, naval fleet. Okay, attacked. So here, in order to stop Japan, in order to control Japan, America had to join the Second World War. Next video, I will be explaining you the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombardment. That we will be doing in the next video. So today's class, you study Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis, where power blocks were because of growing military power, the European countries became suspicious and they started forming the power block. And under these circumstances, Germany also looked for a power block and signed Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Immediate cause, Hitler invaded Poland to get port of Danzig. Then entry of USA tried to maintain complete neutrality, but American Congress decided to lease armament to Britain and China for her own defense. Okay, but then in 1941, December 7, 1941, Japan under the premiership of General Tojo attacked on Pearl Harbor, which was a US Pacific fleet, and in December 8, 1941, USA joined the Second World War to stop Japan. I hope you have understood. Thank you.